Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Valentine's gifts for him is probably one of the most sought-after topics as the romantic holiday approaches, and for good reason. Finding that perfect present that screams, "I know you," and "I love you," can feel like a monumental task, especially when you want to move beyond the usual suspects of chocolates and generic cologne. This year, let's dive deep into a curated selection of gifts that are sure to impress, delight, and make your man feel truly special, whether he's a tech enthusiast, a foodie, a fashion-forward individual, or someone who appreciates the finer, more practical things in life. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Me Thermometer. Get precise temperature readings in just 1 to 2 seconds. Our advanced technology ensures accuracy for all your cooking needs. The large, backlit display makes it easy to check temperatures, even in low light. It's a perfect addition to your kitchen essentials. Whether you're grilling, baking, or making candy, this thermometer is your go-to tool. It's perfect for meats, liquids, and more. Don't worry about cleaning, it's IP67 waterproof and can be washed under running water. This makes it a convenient grilling accessory. It comes pre-calibrated and ready to go right out of the box. You can also recalibrate it if needed for continued accuracy. Packaged in an elegant box, it makes an ideal birthday gift for husbands or any man who loves to cook. It's a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This thermometer provides incredibly fast and accurate temperature readings, perfect for any cooking situation. Its bright, backlit display ensures you can read it easily, even in low light. If you're a grill master or a busy home cook who values speed and precision, this is the tool for you. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great. The functionality is excellent, performing all tasks efficiently. Number 4. Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit for Couples. Introducing the Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit, your all-in-one solution for creating a deeply meaningful keepsake. It's designed for couples to easily capture a special moment together. This kit provides everything necessary for a successful and fun crafting experience. With clear instructions, you can focus on enjoying the process and creating a treasure. Looking for a unique gift? This kit allows you to capture the unique bond between partners in a one-of-a-kind piece of art. It's a heartfelt way to celebrate your relationship. Our premium formula captures every detail, ensuring an ultra-precise casting of your hands. Even if you're new to crafting, you can create a professional-grade keepsake at home. Move beyond ordinary gifts and create something truly memorable. This kit transforms a fleeting moment into a lasting work of art, perfect for any milestone. Turn your relationship story into a beautiful work of art with this romantic, one-of-a-kind gift. It's a wonderful reminder of the special moment you created together. What we like. This kit allows you to capture the intricate details of hands, creating a truly unique and sentimental keepsake. It includes everything you need for a fun and easy crafting experience. If you're looking for a deeply personal and memorable gift for your partner or a special couple, this is an excellent choice for celebrating your bond. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design. The functionality is excellent and user-friendly. Number 3. Happy Nuts Comfort Cream Deodorant for Men. Tired of discomfort and odor? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed specifically for men's needs. Experience lasting freshness and confidence throughout your day. This advanced formula provides powerful defense against chafing and sweat. Stay dry and comfortable, no matter the activity. It's your secret weapon for all-day protection. Say goodbye to embarrassing odors with our effective, aluminum-free formula. Enjoy a clean and fresh feeling that lasts. It works naturally to keep you smelling great. Specifically formulated for the sensitive areas of men. It offers gentle yet effective care, ensuring comfort and hygiene. Feel confident and refreshed down there. Compact and convenient, it's the perfect travel companion. Keep it in your bag for on-the-go freshness. Maintain your hygiene wherever life takes you. Upgrade your personal care routine with Happy Nuts. Discover the ultimate comfort and confidence. It's time to feel your best, all day long. What we like. This cream deodorant offers effective protection against chafing and odor, keeping you fresh all day. It's formulated without aluminum, making it a gentler option. If you're looking for a comfortable and reliable hygiene solution for sensitive areas, especially for active individuals or those who prefer aluminum-free products, this is a great pick. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great. The functionality is excellent, with multiple useful features. Number 2. RENPHO heating pad for back, neck and shoulders. Experience targeted warmth and comfort with this innovative heating pad. Its design contours to your back, providing a snug and effective heat therapy session. Don't limit its use to just your back. This versatile heating pad also offers soothing relief for your neck and shoulders, easing tension and discomfort. Choose from 6 different heat levels to find your perfect comfort zone. Easily adjust the intensity to suit your needs for optimal relaxation. Enjoy a comforting, weighted design that stays in place. It gently molds to your body, ensuring consistent heat distribution and a secure fit. This product is FSA and HSA eligible, making it a smart choice for your health and wellness. It's also ETL certified for safety and reliability. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This heating pad is perfect for birthdays or any occasion, offering comfort and relief to your loved ones. What we like. This heating pad is designed to provide targeted relief to your neck and shoulders with its weighted, snug fit. It offers multiple heat settings for customized comfort. If you suffer from tension or soreness in your upper body and want a device that stays in place and delivers soothing warmth, this is an ideal solution. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great. The functionality is excellent, with multiple useful features. Number 1. LISEN Retractable 4-in-1 Car Charger. Never let a dead battery interrupt your journey. This reliable charger keeps all your devices powered up, ensuring you stay connected on any drive, from daily commutes to long road trips. It's the perfect practical gift for anyone who spends time on the road. Stay prepared with this essential car accessory. It features retractable cables and dual USB ports, allowing you to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously without the mess of tangled cords. Keep your car tidy and your devices powered, so you never have to worry about a low battery again. This is designed as a dedicated USB power supply for your devices. It's compatible with most phones, tablets, and small electronics, making it a core tool for keeping your vehicle organized and clutter-free. Please note it is not compatible with micro USB devices. Enjoy a clean car interior with this charger's smart design. It offers dual USB ports and retractable cables, providing an efficient power solution for all your tech needs on the go. Keep your vehicle organized while ensuring fast charging for devices like the latest iPhones. Experience powerful charging with 4 ports, including a 45W USB-C and a 12W USB-A port. It intelligently distributes power to charge up to 4 devices simultaneously at high speeds. Retracting the cables is simple: pull, hold, extend slightly, and release for automatic rewind. Built tough for any road, its military-grade structure ensures stable power delivery even on rough terrain. The adjustable angle provides flexible positioning for your devices. It's a great gift to keep journeys safe and clutter-free for loved ones. This is the practical charging solution for daily commutes, road trips, and family travel. It's an ideal gift for fathers, truck drivers, and anyone who relies on multiple devices. Reduce cable clutter and keep your phones and tablets powered on every drive. What we like. This car charger offers a clutter-free solution for keeping multiple devices powered on the go, thanks to its retractable cables and multiple ports. It delivers a powerful 84W fast charge to get your gadgets up and running quickly. If you're someone who frequently travels, has a car full of devices, or simply hates cable mess, this practical accessory is a must-have for your vehicle. What people say. This is a great gift for men. It is a very useful item. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.